So generally, some monitoring will be there. What is it? Monitoring. So monitoring is nothing but we can also call it like site reliability engineering. So in the real time, we have option called. Okay, that I will discuss later. Okay, today I'll discuss the backups and recovery. So generally, why you're taking this backups means, for example, if something issue happen, you want to take the recovery and you want to take the backup, right? So you're going to back up the data. Okay. So in this, we have the types of backups. We have like VM level backup, means virtual machine level backup, and file level backup. What is it? VM level backup and file level backup. For example, I'm going to create a virtual machine. Create Azure virtual machine. I'm going to create a resource group. Azure training. So click on, and the virtual machine name is Linux mission, and the region is East US. Availability zone, no infrastructure redundancy. Secure type standard. Image, for example, Windows, or you can go with the Linux. And size 1 TB password. I'll give the username is India. Password is int at that of int at that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Int at that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You can add the ports HTTPS. Next is standard SST. Next networking. Create a VNet. Azure training VNet 10.10.1.0/16 and subnet. Azure training subnet 10.10.1.0/24 and click on OK. Next management, next monitoring, disable, next advanced, thanks, and finally review. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Hello. So generally you have to create a backups. So before creating the backup, you have to create a recovery service vault. What is it? Recovery
Service vault.
service vault. So it contains the history of, it contains the history of It contains all the backups and policies. Okay. You can see this recovery service vault. Create a recovery service vault. So what is the recovery service vault? Recovery service vault, and give the resource group name Azure Training, and recovery service vault Azure Training, recovery service vault. And the region East US. Next, redundancy. Geo redundancy. I just make it a local redundancy. Geo redundant, make it. Disable. Next, encryption. Next, networking. Create and review and create. Review and create. Create. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So you can see the recovery service vault and Azure Training recovery service vault, and you have the different types of recoveries. Okay, backups. You can take the backup here. Protected. You can see the backups here, right?
Yes.
Do you have any backups here? You don't have any backups. So here you can see that what type of backups you are taking. Whether you are taking the virtual machine, or you want to take the Azure file share, or you want to take the SQL database, or if you want to take this SAP, and like this SAP HANA, what type of backup you're going to take it. So for example, I'm going with virtual machine backup. Just click on backup. Okay. Multiple
sir.
backups per every day. If you want to take it, what time you want to take. Before that, you have to create a policy. Generally, you have the policies here. You can see the backup items. You don't have any backup items. And manage, you can see the policies here. Before that, you have to create a policy. What type of policy means at what time you want to take the backup, what type of backup you want to take it. For example, Azure Virtual Machine, I want to take the backup. And you want to take the standard backup, or you want to take the multiple backups per day. For example, every day I want to take the backup at 2 o'clock, 8 o'clock, or 1 o'clock, like this. Okay. You can create the multiple. For example, Azure Training backup policies. So every day at what time you want to take the backup? Every day I want to take the backup at 5 p.m. Got it? At what time? Indian time zone. Plus 5:30 is there, plus 5:30 is there. Okay. How many retains? Retains means recovery snapshots, okay, per day. Make it like 2, default one. Like this, you can give all these informations. After creating the policy, you can go with the policies here. Azure Training Recovery Service Vault, and here you can see the backup items. You don't have any backups. Just I will go to backup here. And I want to take the Azure Virtual Machine as a backup. Standard. Already have created you have the default policy, or you want to create your own policy. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And add which VMs you want to take the backup. For example, Linux machine, I want to take the backup. Click on OK. So this VM is going to add it here. Enable the backup. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
You can Azure Training Recovery Service Vault. You can get the backup items. And here you can see that Azure Virtual Machine is a backup, right? Yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
like this, we have a different types of backups, and you can the backup. And if you want to take the Azure file share backup. So you want to take the particular storage or your file, you want to take the backup, you can take it. Backups. You can go with on-prem. What is it? On-prem. You want to take the files and folders backup, prepare the infrastructure. Are you able to follow me? This is a
Yes,
big
sir.
procedure. We don't do these things, and you can go with the backup items. If you want to take the recovery, site recovery. So whether you want to take the site recovery and you have the recovery options here. Backups is on, and backup items. For example, you have the virtual machine, you have the Linux machine. Okay. You want to backup now, you don't have any backups right now. Okay. You want to take the backup right now. It's going to take the backup now. So now you can see that it is taking the backup here. Are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
You want to restore, you can take the backups here. Still it is taking the backup. You can see this one backup is done. Initial backup is pending. So generally, if you want to restore, hello, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Hello, Satish, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So for example, you have the backup items, Azure Virtual Machine,
Yes,
Linux Machine, you can give the stop backup. If you want to delete, you can do the same VM level recovery also. You can do it. Recovery service vault, Azure Training Recovery Service Vault, and you can backup policies. We have the recovery plans also. Site recovery means again it is going to create an infrastructure. Same in the West US. Site recovery, you can go with the site recovery. Replication means it is going to create the same thing in the another region. You know that, right? We have done the same thing in the storage accounts, right?
yes, yes, sir.
Databases, the same thing.
Yes, sir.
Backups, backup items, virtual missions, details, stop backup. If you want to delete, components, and I can give like delete. You want to stop the backup. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Once you stop the backup, then you can delete it. Delete backup data. And next mission. Delete. Hello.
Yes, sir.
When you refresh this page, you don't have the backups here. You can see the restore the VM, stop backup. You have the different things. Okay. You have the option like settings is there. Hello.
Yes, sir.
You have the backup policies or settings will be there. You have to delete that. Mm, there is an option called settings actually. You have to go with the settings actually. So Azure Planning Recovery Service World, delete it. So first you have to delete this. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see the backup items. So general thing is that you have to get all the backup items should be 0. Now you can see that. Now you can able to delete it. Okay. Any doubts here? Hello.
No, sir.